Hello, I am Mehmet Hamadov, a freshman computer science student in ATA University. Today we look at our calculus project hard problem. In this project we must solve the hard problem from Demidovich books number 448. In this problem we must find the derivatives of function y equals to ln 2x plus 7. To find this function derivatives, we must know two main differentiations. The first one is chain rule because this function is composite function, and also we must know the derivative rule for inverse function because ln x is the inverse function of e power x. First of all, we must learn the chain rule. The chain rule is that dy y dx, so the derivative of y is equals to and derivative rule for inverse function. First of all, we all know that takes as, for example, function e power x, and this function inverse is ln x, right? Our rule for derivatives of inverse function is that if x equals to 1 divide the derivatives of a function, but in case of its domain, we must give the range of its inverse function. If our function is e power x, and its derivative is e power x, right? And our domain is the range of ln x, right? Then our function will look like that. The derivative of a function is e power x, and our x is the inverse function, is ln x. We all know that ln x is logarithm x. Our is spread, and we get that the differentiation of ln x is equals to 1 divided x, right? And this take this function another function 2x plus 7 equals to gx function, and our ln function is fx function. This will be like that. We must find the derivatives of f x function, right? To do that, from the chain rule, we know that we first must find the first derivatives and then the derivatives of jx function, right? From the finding of derivatives of inverse function, we know that the derivatives of ln x equals to 1 divided x, and our x in this case is 2x plus 7, right? First, in this part we write 1 divided 2x plus 7. Then we must find the derivatives of gx function. To find that, we use the derivatives rule for sum. In some rules, we can choose each sums and find their derivatives and sum their values. The derivatives of 2x plus derivatives of 7. right? The derivatives of 2x from power rule, we know that is equals to 2. And the derivative of constant value is 0, right? Y 2x plus 7. Our final answer will be 2 divide 2x plus 7. This problem solved by Muhammad Khamadov, and in this question we learn our chain rule in this experimental of this problem, and also find the inverse function's derivative.